Let me think about that. Hey, welcome back to Candra's World Candylands. Happy Thursday. Y'all just seem like my camera is leaning to the side, but oh well. I don't know what's going on. There you go. So y'all took it back to old school. Who don't know about no good old pork and beans with baked beans, and I add a little bit of sugar and some good old chicken. That was a fast meal back in the day. Or good old hot dogs and pork and beans. That stuff come back. I got a bottle of hot sauce, but I said let me use this. But we got a whole bunch of condiments in my cabinet. And I said, the hot sauce is new. I mean, the hot sauce is still wrapped up, so I ain't feel like opening it. Because it took me a while to get the wrapping off. They sealed it on there tight. How's y'all weather? Here, that sun is beaming on me. But guess what? We can't go nowhere. I'm sitting on some money. Y'all know I love to be out shopping. But I gotta hold it because I don't really have to go out. I'm even scared to go across the street until this stuff is over because I do not want that. So if I gotta chill, I parties at my house. I got food. I got my sippy sip. And yeah, what else I'm going outside for? I got my water. Let me take a sip of that. Woo! First drink of today. Need that water. I don't care how much it don't have no flavor. I don't care how much you wake up and drink some juice. But I got a whole gallon of orange juice, y'all. And I told them do not touch it. That's mine. But nothing don't beat the taste of water, period. And water good for your body. Also, on my live Tuesdays, Sundays, and Fridays, my lives will be consist of less games to build. And also I'll be running 2 people playlists per week. Right now I'm running Merge and Marijuana. I will put their name up when I upload it. And go check them out. They basically do live streams. But I would, go check them out. I'm running them now as we speak. So, I just like to give back the best way I know how. So, we'll be talking about Capricorn traits today in a bit. Because I know I don't stay on too long. So, how y'all been doing? Like I said, the weather. It's 70 degrees outside, y'all. Beautiful day. Now, don't get me wrong. I have to sit outside on my porch, my yard. But for what? Ain't nobody over here. I don't hang with my, I don't hang in my court. So, there's no point. Like I said, I'm not going to just exempt from hanging with my girls across the street. Just going to slow it up a little bit until this thing is over with. Until then, I'll be here in the house on Friday. Partying up. But when you party by yourself, sometimes it get boring, and I just fall asleep. And then I start talking on the phone. I don't even feel like talking on the phone. Because Earth don't get here till like 6. And he tired. Only time he parties on Saturdays, because that's his really free day. Because he work Monday through Friday. And he off on Saturday and Sunday. So his party day is on Saturday. But my party day is not on a Saturday. So sometimes I go up there and party with him, but I don't be drinking. So that's it. Now when he on vacation, his vacation coming up, he gets down. So y'all, time is flying. Let's get into it. Capricorn trace, this chicken is good. First meal of the day. Actually, I cooked it last night, but as y'all know, my videos are pre-recorded. So I usually eat it the next morning. That's how it is. That's how it is. That's how I roll anyway. This gonna be in some neck bone. I ain't giving nobody no ideas, but yeah, just not them, but I'm trying to find my Ruby Woo lipstick. That's one lip that always disappears. I need to leave the sips alone when I'm drinking. Capricorn straight. That's my hubby. Let me see what they got to say. They are ambitious to do their best. They are persistent, real, sensitive, practical, and disciplined. And take care of their home. Yes, Lordy, but they ain't say the flip side, honey. They ain't say the flip side, but I'm gonna do the flip side on the next coming up. When I do my zodiac side, I'm gonna do the flip side of our signs. Or all of us got signs, some believe, some don't. I believe. That's why I love what I do. So y'all, I'm gonna take another swig of this water. I'm waiting on 2 packages, and I will be unboxing on my panel. You gotta wait to see what it comes in. I bought like 10 of these. And I told my kids, do not touch. Because I bought them 2 cases of water. Man, check this out, y'all. When I buy 1 case of water, that water be gone within 2 days. Now I got 2 cases on the counter. It's full to the rim. How do that work? When I buy 1 case of water, when y'all know 24 comes in a case. So now it's 48 because I bought 2. They ain't even killed the water. My kids are backwards. And like I said, I'm not glad that nobody can really come out. I'm not saying I don't want my grandkids over here because, honey, if they was over here, yes, Kira, I'm talking about you and your crew. Kira is my oldest daughter. Them goodies on that counter, they will be gone. And my nephew, too. And my sister. Especially when I'm sipping. Anything that, they were like, I wake up the next morning like, what damn? That counter was just full. Everything gone. But you know what? I got a trick for that because I'm going to start putting myself up. I'm just leaving a little bit out. So y'all, my time is about to wrap up. And I'm about to slide. So y'all know what time it is. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Until next time, I will see y'all soon with another mukbang.